I'm going to be unboxing my Zoe Report Box of Style today and show you what's inside. Oops. So this tells you basically what's in it, and this is the Spring 2018 Box of Style. I didn't know I was getting it because I thought that I just got a special holiday edition for Christmas, and so this was a really sweet surprise today. And, whoops, hello. Golly, I haven't even had any wine today. This might be a little loud, but it's so sweet. When you open it up, it says, "Hello, gorgeous." And let's see what's in here. So, there's a book, or not a book, it's like a small little booklet more. A note from Rachel Zoe is in the beginning, and Pretty and Palm, Sunshine, State of Mind. Okay, well, let's just open it and look at the actual stuff. Everything's wrapped pretty well, so hopefully there'll be no damage. I did one time have something arrive that was damaged, and they promptly replaced the earrings, and I love them, and I was really happy that they did that. So they would stand behind what they're sending you as well, just so you know. And what do we have here? Bonnie Clyde sunglasses, it looks like. Cool, and they're pink. I've always kind of been obsessed with pink, but I've reestablished that. Fun. Ooh la la. Let's see here. Very well packaged. Cute. I'm not sure if you can really see them. It's like a pale lucite pink. Hi. So I love them, actually. They're very cute. See the world through rose-colored glasses. I love it. I love it. I love it. And it's like all of them are wrapped in this tissue paper. I just got my nails done and got them cut off because I scratched myself by accident. So, let's see. What is this? Oh, it looks like jewelry. Speaking of jewelry, Lili Claspe. Oh, cool. So it's a moon and a star necklace, which I'll take out. Try to get a better look at myself. Maybe I'm trying to think of the best place to see it, but well, this got all jangled. It's really cool. I like that. I like it. I like it a lot. I'm actually going to put it on now. I think it's one that you want to make sure that you hang to store. I don't think it travels well in a suitcase, probably. Okay. But I really do like it. It has two different sizes, or actually 3 different rings on it, so you could make it fit multiple lengths. That's very cool. I like it. Okay, so fun, moving on to the next. And just in case you didn't hear what I was saying, that's the name on the sunglasses. Bonnie Clyde, good job. Lili Claspe, good job. And so there's 1, 2, 3, 4. I kind of don't buy as many of like the different products that I might normally buy because sometimes I get them in these boxes, and I want to use them while they're fresh, you know, especially skincare and stuff like that that's expensive. Lip Glossy, non-GMO, silicone-free, sulfate-free, cruelty-free, paraben-free. That is awesome. It's vegan. Coconut oil lip gloss. Kiss dehydration goodbye. Ooh, that's awesome. I always wear lip gloss, pretty much. I have it in like every bag in my car and stuff like that. So, Kopari lip glossy. I already have lip gloss on, so it's just clear. Anyway, so cool. Well, I'll have to give that a try. Oops. It does smell good. I always like, if a product doesn't smell that good, I wouldn't use it, even if it looks great, just because, you know, you're going to have to smell it the whole time. And Kopari Coconut Rose Toner. Awesome. So you'll want to, when you're doing your skincare, you know, after you cleanse your skin, you'll always want to use a toner because it restores your pH balance. And rose, coconut and rose are both very good for your skin. So can you get a glimpse of that? It's a little glossy packaging. So just spritz it onto a fresh, clean face and follow it with the face cream, which I don't think they sent me that part. I might have to buy it myself. Okay, down to 2 more things. And Jen Atkin, Chloe, and Isabel. Let's see what's in here. Oh, it looks like another piece of jewelry. Looks like it's actually one of this type where you can kind of adjust it to be a choker or longer and different lengths and stuff like that. Let me see. It says in here, the main attraction. Suede and baguette, head wrap, and choker. Ah, okay. Designed by hair genius Jen Atkin, this is perfect little pick-me-up for any look, casual or formal, styled in your tresses, around your neck, wrist, or waist. It's as versatile as it is chic. You can wrap it around your wrist as a bohemian alternative bracelet too. As an alternative to the classic cuff. Style it as a headband or belt for pop of sparkle. I love that. Glad I read the directions. But anyway, that's really pretty. I like a little sparkle. Little sparkle never hurt anybody. And then last but not least, I'm really interested to see what this is because it's palms on it. Let's see. This might not be that obvious. Okay. Oh, it's the first page. Oh! Nothing epitomizes California glamour like an effortless duster and a playful print. This is the ultimate ode to West Coast cool. Versatile silhouette can be styled countless ways with a slip dress or even denim and a tee. For a more tailored fit, you can cinch it with your favorite belt. This is from the Rachel Zoe collection, which is very cool. She's a really great stylist. This is called the Palm Print Duster, and it would sell for $150 if you were to buy it. It's in this package. I'm not sure if you'll be able to really get a good glimpse of it, but that's really cool. Let's see here. Sorry about the background noise. Here it is, opening. Okay, here we go. Very cute. Oh my god, I'm going to try it on with this dress. So you can see the arms. I love these little tassel things. It's very cute. And actually, you could wear it like if you're going to a restaurant. Sometimes you get cold at night. This would be really cool. And it's a totally different look than what I would normally buy. So that's awesome. And just to give you a quick rundown, the Bonnie Clyde, the Hill exclusive sunglasses, and those Hill exclusive is fun for me because it's my last name. But these retail for $64. And the Kopari Lip Love Gloss is $12. The Coconut Rose Toner by Kopari is $24. The necklace with the moon and star, which I love that theme, so whimsical, is $115 from Lili Claspe. I was saying last before, which is a mistake. Oops. I was not familiar with the jewelry designer before today. So it's Lili Claspe with a C. And that's $115. And then the main attraction with the wrap that you can do on your headband, your wrist, your neck, or even around your waist and hair. I can't remember which one I said. This was $48, and that's Jen Atkin and Chloe and Isabel. So that's my Zoe report, box of style for the spring of 2018. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Thanks. And I forgot to tell y'all something. I've been actually using this stuff for a little while now, and I'm loving the Bonnie Clyde glasses and also the lip gloss and the duster. I actually had it altered so that it fits my height. Oh, it's hard to say, I guess. Whoa. I'm gonna fall down about it. But anyway, I had it altered to fit my height, and then I found these shoes that kind of match, which was kind of a neat thing. And it wasn't too matchy-matchy. I think it looks good as long as I don't wear any other palm prints on it. Anyway, I just wanted to give you guys an update that I'm loving my box.